Hey everyone, this type of question comes in exam. A person travels a distance x with a velocity v1 and x distance with velocity v2 in the same direction. That means the displacement is not zero. He is asking the average velocity. So what will be the formula or what will be the answer? So this won't be the answer v1 plus v2. This won't be answer v1 plus v2 by 2 because this type of questions are calculated by the total distance travel. Average velocity is equal to 2x upon x by v1 is the first time, x by v2 is the second time. By this time, x upon v1 displacement upon velocity is time, x displacement of velocity is time. So now 2x upon, when I'm taking LCM, v1 into v2, x v1, x v2 plus x v1, and then when I'm simplifying it, I'm getting twice v1 v2 upon v1 plus v2, and this will be our answer number C. Now let's move to the next question. Again, this type of question comes: an object moves with the velocities v1, v2 and v3 along line. AB, BC and CD are given and the distances are equal. AB and BC are equal and AD is equal to 3 times AB. That means the distances will be x, x and x. Then what will be the average velocity? So we must know the direct formula, or if you want to calculate what will be the total distance is 3x divided by x by v1, x by v2, x by v3. So the final formula will be 3 times v1, v2, v3 upon v1, v2 plus v2, v3 plus v3, v1. By taking LCM, we can get this answer. This question is saying a body is moving with constant speed in circle of radius 10. The body completes one revolution in 4 seconds. So that means it is covering in 1 second, it is covering 1/4 of the part. At the end of the 3 seconds, the displacement of body from the starting point. So it is starting from here and it is coming to this position. Why to this position? Because the total time taken is 4 seconds. Then at the end of third second, the displacement of the body from the starting point. So this is the starting point and this is the final point. And what is the distance? The radius he has given, this is 10 and this is 10. And this displacement will be 10 root 2 from Pythagoras theorem. So this will be the answer. A vehicle travels a distance 4 km with a speed of 3 km per hour and 4 km with a speed of 5 km per hour. Then the average speed is. How will we calculate the average speed? The total distance covered, total distance is 4 plus 4 is 8. And the total time taken is 4 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5. So we can do it in decimals also and we can do by taking LCM. I've taken LCM 15. This is coming 5 plus 3 and this is cutting. So V is coming 15 into 2, 30 upon 8, 15 upon 4 and that will be 3.75 kilometers per hour. This will be the final answer. Now, the question is, all the graphs below are intended to represent the same motion. One of them does it incorrectly, pick up the answer. Now, the case is, this is position, this is velocity. So, when the position is changing, the velocity is going like this. Velocity is increasing, and then when position is coming back, the velocity is decreasing. Second thing is time and distance. Time is increasing, distance is also increasing and becoming constant. The another one is position is increasing and the time is also increasing. Position is increasing and the time is going. And the last one is the velocity is velocity is decreasing with the time and its direction is also changing. So which one will be the correct answer for us? So let's come to the topics. So then this is the correct because velocity is decreasing. This can happen with the time. Distance is increasing, but it is becoming zero at certain position. It cannot happen because distance cannot be zero. So this question is point of concern. So this will be the answer. Otherwise, with velocity, velocity decreases, position is increasing, and the velocity again changing its direction, position is also changing. Here, position is increasing and then decreasing with the time. This is also correct. This is also correct. The B answer is wrong. The velocity of a particle is v is equal to v naught plus gt plus ft squared. Its position is x is equal to 0 at t is equal to 0. Its displacement under time t is equal to 1. So when the velocity is given and we need to calculate displacement, what will we do? We can write ds upon dt is equal to v naught plus gt plus ft square. Now ds is equal to v naught plus gt plus ft square into bt. Now when I'm integrating it, integration is v naught into 1 dt plus g into t dt plus f into t square dt. So after integrating it, what I am getting, displacement is coming v naught t plus g into t square by 2, t square by 2, and the last one is ft cube by 3. Again, plus c, because it's an integration, so we have to write plus c. Now, at t is equal to 0, displacement is 0, that means s is equal to 0, and all these terms are coming 0. That means the constant term is again 0. So the displacement is coming s is equal to v naught t plus gt square by 2 plus ft cube by 3. So what will be the answer for t is equal to 1? For t is equal to 1, the displacement is coming v naught plus g by 2 plus f by 3. So is there any answer? Yes, answer is C. V naught plus g by 2 plus f by 3 is the answer. The position of particle related to time is given by this much. The magnitude of the velocity of the particle at t is equal to 2 seconds. So now we will be differentiating it. When differentiating dx upon dt, dx upon dt is equal to 5 into t square, differentiation is 2t, minus 4 into differentiation of t is 1 plus 0. So the velocity is coming 10t minus 4. Now I am writing the value of t, 10 into 2 minus 4, 20 minus 4 is 16. So 16 will be the answer. From VT graph shown, the ratio of distance to the displacement in 25 seconds. So what is the displacement and what is the distance? The graph is velocity time graph. From velocity time graph, we will calculate the distance. What is the distance in first part? So it is half into base into height. So it will be in first part half into 5 into 10, 50 by 2 is 25 meters here. And second part 5, this is 5, this is 10, 5 into 10 is 50. And the next part, this is 5 and this is 10 and this is 20. So we'll calculate half into sum of parallel sides, 10 plus 20 into the distance between them is 5. 30 by 2 is 15 into 5, 75 meters. It is coming here. Now here 20 into 5, 20 into 5 is 100 upon 2 is 450. And the last part, half into base into height, 20 into 5. 100 upon 2 is 50. So here, what will be the distance? 25 plus 50, 75. 75 plus 75 is 150. 150 plus 50 is 200. 200 plus 50 is 250 meters. That is the distance. And what is the displacement? Displacement is very simple. Where were you and where you are reaching? So this is the total distance covered. So it is 250. 250 and this is what? This distance is 250 minus 50 because first we were going in the same direction, the velocity was increasing, and then velocity started decreasing. Till the time velocity starts decreasing or velocity becomes 0, the object is moving in same direction. So first part, the distance covered is a 200 meters. But in the next part, the direction is changing because velocity is becoming negative. So 250 minus 50, this is coming what? It is coming 150. So initially distance was 250 and the displacement is 150. 250 is to 150 is coming 5 is to 3. This is the final answer.